Speak English fluently with English for real. Do you want to improve your English faster? Want to have better listening comprehension and pronunciation? And boost your speaking skills quickly? Welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive conversation designed to improve your English speaking skills. Now we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening and practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer. Part 4, shadowing practice. Now are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started. Part 1, English listening practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations. Setting up a bank account.
How are you doing today?
Great. Thanks.
What can I help you with?
I would like to open a bank account.
What kind would you like to open?
I need a checking account.
Would you also like to open a savings account?
That's fine.
In order to open these accounts, you need to deposit a minimum of $50.
I want to deposit $300.
I'll set up your accounts for you right now.
Make sure to put $150 in each account.
Part 2, learn vocabulary.
Checking account. It means a bank account that you can take money from at any time and that usually earns little or no interest. Tony didn't understand how a checking account worked and didn't want to get one. Savings account. It means an account in a bank or similar financial organization that earns interest. They should start saving when they start working. Put so much into a savings account every month. Deposit. It means to put something valuable, especially money, in a bank or safe. I deposited £500 in my account this morning.
Part 3, listening and answer. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversations. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the question out loud.
What can I help you with?
I would like to open a bank account.
What kind would you like to open?
What does the customer want to open? The customer wants to open a bank account.
I need a checking account.
Would you also like to open a savings account?
That's fine.
How does the bank teller respond to the customer's request to open a checking account? The bank teller asks if the customer would also like to open a savings account.
Would you also like to open a savings account?
That's fine.
In order to open these accounts, you need to deposit a minimum of $50.
What is the minimum deposit required to open the accounts? The minimum deposit required is $50.
In order to open these accounts, you need to deposit a minimum of $50.
I want to deposit $300.
I'll set up your accounts for you right now.
How much money does the customer want to deposit in total? The customer wants to deposit $300.
I'll set up your accounts for you right now.
Make sure to put $150 in each account.
Where does the customer want the $300 deposit to be divided? The customer wants $150 to be deposited in the checking account and $150 in the savings account. Part 4 Shadowing Practice. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin.
How are you doing today? What can I help you with? What kind would you like to open? Would you also like to open a savings account? In order to open these accounts, you need to deposit a minimum of $50. I'll set up your accounts for you right now.
Duet with the customer.
Great. Thanks. I would like to open a bank account. I need a checking account. That's fine. I want to deposit $300. Make sure to put $150 in each account.
Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week. And repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!